Rico, Rico, Tico, Rico, ting, ting, ding, ting.
And the minute we walk out the door, we're like, hey, could you do like that?
Because I'm not a sunshine anymore.
Now
I'm
you're
a stormy. Are you gonna be a good girl? I'll be right back. Maayong aga sa inyong lahat. Yung ilong ko is clogged up, so I'm leaving. It's already 7:30. Kailangan ko nang umalis. Parang nagka-clog up, and then in the other side nag-runny na siya, very liquidy runny nose. I'm sorry guys if you're eating right now, but that's what happened when you get sick, and then in the middle of the night you kind of like have that, you know, problem, like, and hindi ka makatulog, para kang hindi ka makatulog ba, parang nagbaligwas sa yung katawan mo, yung baligwas sa ano ba tawag doon, yung katawan mo ba parang palaging gustong gumagalaw. Yung lalamunan ko din masakit, sobrang sakit. We're planning to, I don't know if he went direct to CVS, because we're planning to go to CVS to pick up some medication, her medication, and then I want to get some Stop and Shop. I want to get the pomelo, guys. Gusto ko pomelo. I want pomelo. I'm already driving like more than 1 hour, guys, dahil sa traffic ito. Kaya naging matagal-tagal akong nagda-drive ngayon. Nandito na ako, guys. So, we're gonna i-drop namin yung biyanan ko. My husband is so good looking right now. He cut his hair. Outside. Si Tami ng ano, guys, wart removal. Meron naman ako doon. Hanapin natin to. Wow, that's expensive though. Just get one. The one that you think that's going to work. Okay guys, he has a new haircut. No haircut my baby, no. Bagong gupit guys. Tignan nyo nga. Bagong gupit si Gupito. Wow, bagong gupit. Oh. That's a nice car and a nice color too. Charcoaly. Saksa, tu sekure kasi kusaka kisaka, Osaka, Bin Laden, tu reko ting ting ding ting, telungka. No, it's mine.
Okay. Oh, it's yours. Okay.
You see? Already.
So no left turn. Now what is he doing? He's left turn. He's special.
Special, baby. Some people are special driving here, baby, because they live in this neighborhood. So they're special. They can turn left.
So I think.
Huh?
So I believe.
Why?
I saw you didn't get mad when she called me honey. What was that about? You all got
Ah, now look at that. Ah, now you're put it in your head now.
because you always get mad.
I don't give a more.
Okay.
Look, he's thinking. Han. Why you're thinking about that woman saying honey to you?
Because I thought it was strange that you didn't get put on a puss when that happened. Usually you like give me that look, like you're mad. And the minute we walk out the door, you're like, "How are you calling you honey? Hey, because you didn't like that, don't you?"
I'm used to the people here in the US. Even they don't know the people, they will call honey.
I think it's just a term, hon.
Huh?
It's just a term.
It's a term. It's a term of endearment. You know, the people
They're
call
like,
you honey.
sweetie, honey. This is just.
Yeah, but if that woman is very pretty and sexy and call you honey, I will be freaking out.
Oh, so depends on the woman. I get it.
No, that woman, you even remember, Han, how much more? And then you pretend that, what are you talking about? I know you don't, I know you know, you just pretender, you're a good
Then
pretender.
what?
Sometimes you said, I don't even know what you're talking about, Han. No, because if that woman is sexy and pretty and
if you
tall,
asked me to
you would
describe-
be like, oh my God, brace yourself, oh my God.
It's just, you just dealing with people regularly. Just... But
So you're waiting for me to yell at you.
I just kind of expect it now.
It's scary when your wife or husband doesn't care anymore.
Okay, save you the grief. I cut up the onions and the pickles. Well, you said you don't. So they say, oh, fine, I'll cut them.
I wanna be a superstar. I'm getting sick, so no kisses. I love you.
I love you too, even you never listen to nothing. Nothing.
Why I have to bring rice here, Han?
Because I know you'd want to have rice.
Why, we have rice here too. I can cook just like what I'm doing now. Do you want to see your wife eat?
Too late now.
Too late now, is it too late now? Too late now, my baby. Okay, people said why we call Hubs the bug. Because why?
Because he's cute as a bug.
He's cute as a bug.
Cute as a bug.
Cute as a bug. I love it.
He's my little man.
No, kahimusan ang dito kong
I
baby.
call him my little man, I call my little bug.
And how do you call me?
Honey.
Honey. That's it. There's no nickname like what you nickname Hubs is too much. That means if you
Sunshine?
that means
Sunshine?
Sunshine. You called me Sunshine beforehand long time ago.
Yeah.
But not anymore because I'm not a sunshine anymore.
Now
I'm
you're
a stormy.
thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm. You love thunderstorm too, you know? You do?
I actually do.
Yeah, he loves when it comes to lightning, raining, windy, thundery. He loves it. He will stay outside and he will like let the lightning hit him.
I love nature just releasing.
Releasing her like a fart. But every time it happens over there, you're not there.
Like nature having a fit.
The nature having a fit.
Yeah.
It's mad.
I like it.
No, no, I love him. I asked him Jollibee, guys. Did you hear the news? There is a restaurant that it calls Pops Chicken and Waffles. And you know what? The customer found out that the owner of the Pops Chicken, they carry a big box of Popeyes and they put into the back. They went to the back and they're selling Popeyes, huh? They're selling Popeyes and then they sell it expensive with waffles in it. And then the Popeyes doesn't react because maybe it's good for them. Hi guys! Umalis na yung asawa ko, guys. Punta na siya trabaho. Saka ako, kailangan ko lang magligpit. Here we go! I'm gonna pick up my mother-in-law. Yeah, I'm uploading a video right here and it's 11 minutes remaining. That's the only problem with this internet here. The internet here in this house, guys, is ridiculous. Well, before it was really quick like in the other house. But I don't know, for some reason, humihina siya, guys. It's not naman sobrang hina na pareha sa Pilipinas, guys. It's like a 20 minutes. Sometimes it's run up to 26 minutes. Sometimes, mababa siya. Pero doon sa isang bahay, guys, I'm so happy kasi yung internet doon, very quick. It's like 5 to 6 minutes every upload. And it's really fast. Hoping that she'll get out early today because the other day, I think that was Monday. Last week, guys. Last week? Oh, no. Monday. This week. This week. Yung Monday. Nakaraang linggo. Nakaraang Monday. Lunes. Nakaraang Lunes. Grabe yung 2-something na siya na lumabas. I still have to clean my nails because tomorrow we go to may pupuntahan kami. So, kailangan ko lang linisin yung kuko kasi look, mataas siya. Anyway guys, so kita-kits na lang tayo sa isang bahay at saka yun, ilagay ko kayo dito. Naka-open na siya dito. Naka-open na siya. So, ilagay ko kayo dyan. So, anyway guys, kita-kits later. Babu! Kadarating lang namin traffic, guys. 2 hours yung travel. Kasi yung traffic, grabe. So,
and these nights are getting shorter, like a energy I'll conquer. In my soul, this is real. These nights are getting shorter. In my soul, this is real.
Hey! Hiu! Where's your sister? It's kinda chilly. Hi sister, where are you? Oh, that's pretty. It's nice over there. Tingnan nyo. Okay. Ko na tong vlog na ito. So, bukas na lang, ha? Kita-kits bukas. And salamat guys sa panonood. Thank you guys for watching. Good night. Bye-bye. Mag-i-edit lang ako and then pahinga. So anyway, bye guys. Good night. Bye-bye. Roxy!